Babes, y'all with me? Can you see? Yeah. Jersey bitch.
Yo, this is post-urban, upper middle class Gen X folk. You hipsters whack, watch me squeeze more out of rap when it's broke. Then we served it on a platter for you. A bunch of queens like nothing really mattered to you. No mind, taught you how to chop the shit out of break. Like a father taught you how to take a fish out the lake. Swag like I'm one of they boss. Your face a question mark, answers given by one of the lost, found in the wilderness. Look, I'm paid and not a pet. I shove that in these crackers' faces every chance I get. How? It goes properties and guns and stuff. We had to plan it by the balls and everybody fucked it up. Split a little, fold my arm, shit is on the up and up. Letter from Comerica, my balance on the up and up. Junk mail, Bosnian stuff, Oshkosh, my gosh, denim, Cosby and stuff. Halfway down my timeline and I seen enough. Yo, the baby's getting cyber fucked, it's got to be tough. Urban leather birds of feather flock. For them, this is a special show. Y'all can let whatever rock. Son, I'm a professional. Woo! I'm hustling space rockets. My table got 8 pockets. My body got 8 chakras. YouTube personalities, cut and paste doctrines. They talking flat earth. Dare do I waste bong hits? Dudes is on they Milli, Vanilli wave. Where were you gangsters back when Schoolie D was a Philly fave? Liars lying till they lie in a chilly grave. Feels like I've been deleting more truth than they'll ever save.